Adobe Photoshop Content-Aware Fill. Adobe Photoshop's Content-Aware Fill command was designed to help users remove unwanted objects or distracting elements from your photos as easy as possible. Simply by drawing a selection around an area, Photoshop can instantly replace it with new image detail from surrounding areas. Try this. Once you open Photoshop, you can drag and drop the image into the document. Hold the Shift key to avoid distorting the content and drag the corners or edges until it's the desired size. Now you can tag lasso tool to draw the selection around the object you want to remove. Now we must right-click the selection and click Content-Aware Fill. Sometimes you might notice that the Content-Aware Fill option is disabled or grayed, so we need to troubleshoot that. In case the Content-Aware Fill option is disabled or grayed when you right-click the selection tool, open Layers property, right-click the layer, select the Rasterize Layer option. Now you will be able to right-click the selection and select the Content-Aware Fill option. It will show a dialog box with the result, from where you have to click OK button. Before you click the OK button, and if you wish to add more areas to the selection, for example, if you want to remove the shadow in this example, you can use the lasso tool and add that part to the previously selected area. Click OK button and the newly selected part, the shadow, will be added to the removal area. Now the Content-Aware Fill has removed the object and its shadow, the person and the shadow, completely from your image. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you liked it. Assalamu alaikum.